It's cooking time!
It's eat time.
Ha? Eat time?
Mm-hmm.
Are you hungry?
Hungry.
Oh, finish na yan ha.
Okay.
So what's that?
That's egg some.
Egg?
Red egg.
Red egg ka dyan. White egg yan.
Yeah. White egg. Red egg.
White.
Egg. And some yellow. There, yellow.
Yellow, may white.
There's some there. Up there.
Oh, done na, hindi pa?
Not then.
Not yet?
Not yet. This is where Nina gets to the cooking shot. Egg. That's my thought.
Why are you cooking egg?
Mm,
Because you're what? You're hungry?
I'm hungry. I can send you here. Is he going to that one?
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, your didi.
Huh?
Probably it's too hot.
Huh?
Yung didi mo hot na.
Oh my gosh. Am I did hot, Daddy?
Malamang.
Mm. Mm. Kita did yummy. Mm. Kita do
Yummy?
smoky.
Oh, hot ina.
I don't like it.
Okay, you done?
Mm.
Move it here. Watch out ha. Hot yan, hot. Done?
Mm-mm.
Ooh, done now. Oh. So we have to put it in the plate. You want to put in the plate?
Mhm. I'm going to play.
Small plate. Here. Oh. Watch out, Kill ya. Hot yan ha. Hot here. Oh. Hot.
Is my plate?
Yeah, ako na mabutang.
I got my plate there.
Yeah. Don't touch there ha. Don't. Like this.
I'm done.
Your egg. Done. Oh, go to the table.
Mm.
Careful, hot yan. Hot pa.
And the blow flush. I got to put my plate.
Get down. Get down na.
You're gonna sit down.
Oh. Go to the table.
Daddy, where's the eat thing? Now I like my cake.
Yeah.
Put it here. First, put it.
Oh. Parisan mo ng ano yan, oh.
Dang.
Oh, it's your egg na. You need pork spoon or what? You need spoon?
I need spoon.
Ew. Don't put it there. It na.
And then I'll put it here.
Ikaw na na.
Okay. And for it's done.
Ngam sa ano ay na nakapatay-patay ang andito sa bar?
Ang
Ano?
heater.
Yeta?
Wala.
Okay na to? Kaway ko na ako.
May kuha na, may igniter na siya.
Maya. Maya, I'll add egg here. I like them. And then I want to take it.
Okay na? Okay ang drinks mo ah.
What's a baby?
How did? Okay.
Not don't drink.
Oh, say bye na. Oh.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Stand here. What is it? There?
Yeah.